So in our last class, we were discussing about possible ways how can you um, basically write, or how can you basically form the relational algebra to extract some data from the database. So one of the example that we were talking, like one was there was two operations that we have talked about. One is selection operation, another was projection operation. You remember that, right?
जी सर
So
सर
this is an
जॉइन
example. This is an example of selection operation, and this is another example of projection operation. And then we have talked about combination of selection and projection. What would happen if we can combine both selection and projection? So this example have been covered. After that, we introduced the concept of union, right? Then we talked about the intersections, difference, I believe we have talked about, and finally we have talked about the Cartesian product. And once we are talking about Cartesian product, then basically the discussion leads us to the issue why we need Cartesian product and how those Cartesian product can be useful or meaningful when we are talking about database. Is it am I right? Is there any question from your side? Is there any question from your side?
नो सर
Okay. So this is basically, we have talked about join operation. Remember? So here you can see, like whenever we are talking about
Yes,
join,
sir.
we integrate the relation with respect to their attributes. In one of our discussion, we have mentioned it might be common attribute, and in some place we have mentioned it might not be common attribute. The issue remains the required attribute must need to be joined together, right? It is nothing to do with the common attribute, but in general case, common attribute is something that is used for joining. Okay.
ओके सर
So this is what we have discussed in our previous class. Now we are introducing the concept of natural join. Okay, so natural join is a join when the attribute after joining, the attribute won't repeat itself. The attribute that would be joined together, that attribute will not repeat. So in natural join, we'll remove the duplicate attributes. So for an example, if we look into this example, here you can see in the first one, we have joined based on what? First join is based on which attribute?
Sir, sir, R dot column
So
A
this is
and
joined with
S dot
column A, right?
S column A. Column A.
Now, if it is not
Yes, sir.
typical joint, it is a natural joint, what will be the answer? The repeated attribute won't be shown. What does that mean?
That means, sir, like here, A is shown
Very
twice.
good.
That
That
would
means
be
column
gone.
A and S column A, these two are similar attribute or same attribute. They are shown twice, and we are saying what we are saying?
So we need to remove this.
We
Repetition.
would be having only one attribute, right? Okay. Once it would be shown only once. That's
Yes,
that's all what we can say about this. We won't say remove. We would never say about removing things. Rather, we will say this would be shown only once. Make sense?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is basically how we handle the natural join. Is it okay? Is there any question here? I think no. The next topic is outer join. The next topic is outer join. Outer join talks about the join and the leftover. Let me go back to, okay, let us discuss these things from here. So when we are talking about A and B, joining result of A and B with respect to column A and S column A, the first three rows, as we can see, R and S are joined. First three rows are the joined result, isn't it? Okay. Now,
Yes, sir.
if we want to get additional result or additional values or additional tuples from a particular relation, in this case, let's say from R, we want to get the remaining, then we have to join R and S as left outer join, since R is in the left side, as R in the left side. So since R in the left side, so we are considering left outer join, and by calling left outer join, we are getting additional information that were left in were left in relation R. Make sense? Is it okay?
sir. Outer joint, sir. বুঝলাম না, sir.
Okay. So when we are talking about join, and if I say R join S, what does that mean? That means it will match A with A, right?
Yes, sir.
So my A1 and A1 is the first result. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then B is not having any matching here. There is no B, right? So B is not coming as joint result. Then D is coming because we have D3. Here we have D3 as well as here we have D3, right?
Yes, sir.
Then we have F. F is not coming because F, we don't have F in S. Here we don't have F. But E, we have E. So E is appearing as E5 by E4. So this is the joint result, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, if you see, if you found that we have A, C is missing here. We have E, that means we have A, D, E, these three information in the join, right? So in the S table, from S table, we found this tuple is missing, C2. And from R table, we found B2 and F4 is missing, right?
Yes, sir.
So if I want to see the remaining items from R, if I want to see the remaining item from R, what I should say? I should say R left, because R is in the left side, left outer join.
Okay, sir. Got it, sir.
Okay. So now I am saying R left outer join. Why I'm saying R left outer join? Because R is in the left
In the
side.
left side, sir.
Left
If
side.
I want to get the information that is there remaining in S, what should I say?
Or right out.
Right outer join.
Okay. Now I am basically asking you another question. If I want to see the remaining items that is left over in S, okay, but I can't use right outer join. Can you write the query, or can you make the statement? I want to see S, the remaining of S, but I can't use right outer join. But you are right. The first answer
Sir,
is yes, you are right.
S
Yes.
left outer join.
Sorry.
S left outer join.
Very good. Very good. There you go. So we could simply say this is S left outer join. What we could say?
S left outer join, sir.
Wait. We could simply say S. Why it's not working? Hmm? So we could simply say S left outer join with R,
R.
isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So this is basically the concept that we can use. Now, when you need to do this kind of joining, let us go to some practical example. Okay. So here, I believe we had done few works previously. I don't know, those are here or not. Okay, these are there. Hmm? Sorry, I'm taking little
Sorry,
time.
sir.
Okay, let me do it from the scratch. Let us have an entity, okay? And there is another entity called department, okay? We have somewhere here registration, and we can have course. So for student, let's say we have S01 student, name is ABC, he or she is from CSE department. S02 XYZ, he hasn't declared his major yet. It might happen, right? I haven't declared my major, so if I don't declare my major, I won't be belong to any department, right? S03 PQR belong to business, let's say BBA. S04 STY belongs to CSE. So for the time being, let's have only these 4 records. Now here we can have department as CSE, department as BBA, BBA, and we have, let's say, Tripoli department. Let's say we have physical science department. So these are our 4 departments. Okay, we have 4 departments. Are you following me?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, good. So now think about it. If I join student and department, what will happen? What will happen? How many rows you will see? If you join, not Cartesian product, if you join, how many rows you are expecting to see?
4, sir.
4. What are those rows?
Sir,
See,
student 3, the rows from student and
So
the
S01, ABC,
ABC, CSE,
CSE, right? It will
and then
map
again
with CSE.
CSE.
Then the next entry would be S. What will be the next entry?
02,
02? I
then
don't think so. Next would be S03,
oh sorry, sir,
PQR,
X03,
BBA, and BBA.
BBA,
S04,
4,
STY, CSE, CSE. Right? Join will give you this answer,
yes, sir.
answer, right?
this, sir.
Makes sense? Any doubt up to this much, up to this point?
No,
No.
sir.
Okay, very good. Then the problem here is how many departments we are talking about.
4,
4
sir.
department.
So, but here how many departments we have?
3.
2.
Sorry.
Sorry, sir, 2,
Oh,
2, sir.
acha, true.
Very good. We have only information of 2 departments. And how many students we had?
3
3, sir.
No. How many students
Total
we have in
4.
student table?
4,
Total.
sir. 4,
Total 4. But here we can find only information of
3
3 students.
students.
That means what? That means some data is missing. So if I want to tell you, or if I ask you, display information of all students along with their department head name. Let's say we have head name here. So it is me, Mahadi. Let's say it is Mr. S. This is Mr. K. This is Mr. H. So let it be. Let it be Mr. M. Okay. So that means we have M, S, M. Right? Now I want to see the name of all students. I want to see name of all students and their head name. And their head name. So what you should do?
So we should join student and head, sir.
Very good. You will join student and head. Then basically what you will get? This information. Exactly the one that we have written here. This
Yes,
much.
sir.
Right? This is what you will get. What was my query? Can you repeat the query?
Sir, you wanted to join the all
No,
the
no, I
students.
don't want to join.
Sir,
Sorry.
not the join, sir. Sir, you wanted the all the name of the head with all the students.
No. I wanted to see the name of all students along with their department head's name,
Different
right?
head name. Yes.
So have you answered the query right?
No, sir.
Why not?
Sir, because there are also the department names and there
No, I can get rid of these things. I can simply get rid of these things.
answer there are not all the students here. There are
Very
only
good. There all students haven't been there. So which student is missing?
sir 02, sir. S02.
XYZ, right?
Yes, sir.
Student XYZ is missing. So what you should do then? How can you get the data for XYZ?
Left outer join.
Very good. This is the reason why we might need left outer join. Is it clear now? If I want to get head name of all department, then what should I do? I should get name of all heads along with their student name. What should I do? Are you there?
স্যার আমি ডিসকানেক্ট হয়ে গিয়েছিলাম স্যার স্যার একবার একটু বলবেন
So we want to get the name of the head and his student. Name of all heads and his students. What should I do? Anyone? No one? No one can answer?
স্যার আমি তো 2-3 মিনিট ধরে আপনার কথা কিছুই শুনি নাই
না আপনি তো
শুনতে
শুনেন নাই
পারি নাই।
বুঝলাম। What about others? I want to see the name of the head, name of all heads. So I want to see name of all heads and their students. And their students. So what I want to see? I want to see name of all heads. So how many heads we are talking about?
4.
4 heads. So you have to show name of 4 heads and their students' name. What you should do?
Sir, right outer join.
So thing is very simple. First of all, you must need to think of, okay, I need head name and student name, right?
Yes, sir.
If I need to do that, what I need to do, what I have to do, because they should be side by side. So if it is side by side, no doubt this would be join. Is this clear or not? You have to be very confident and very clear about these concepts. When I need information from 2 different tables, side by side, what I need to do? I need to do join.
Join, sir.
Okay. Now the issue here is when we do joining, the common information will come. So I either here as when I do joining, how many heads name are appearing here in the list? How many heads
3.
name is there? No.
2.
2. Name of 2 heads is there. CSE department's head and BBA department head's name is there. No other head's name is there, right?
Yes sir. জি স্যার
Okay. But what was my question? My question is I want to see all name of the heads. That means what? This is beyond the join, right? So something that is not coming after joining, I need to bring those data, right? Why those are not coming? Can anyone tell me? Are you getting it? Is there a problem?
স্যার লাস্ট কোশ্চেনটা কাইন্ডলি রিপিট করবেন
কোন প্রশ্নটা?
লাস্ট কোশ্চেনটা স্যার আপনি বলছিলেন যে কি কোশ্চেন মানে কোশ্চেনটা একটু কাইন্ডলি রিপিট করলে ভালো হয়।
কেউ বুঝেননি কি প্রশ্ন করেছি?
স্যার আমি বুঝতে পারিনি
আচ্ছা মানে হোয়াট অ্যাবাউট দ্য রেস্ট? এখানে তো we could see there are 20 students. You are not able to follow me. If you are not able to follow me, then you have to let me know that.
স্যার শুনতে পাচ্ছিলাম না স্যার, আরেকবার স্যার রিপিট করবেন স্যার কোশ্চেনটা।
স্যার আপনার কথা কেটে কেটে যাচ্ছে স্যার, উই ক্যানট হিয়ার ইউ প্রপারলি স্যার।
Okay, is it true for all?
স্যার আমার
You-
এখানে স্যার সমস্যাটা হচ্ছে, বাকিদেরটা স্যার শিওর না।
জি স্যার, ঠিক মতো শুনতে পাচ্ছি না।
আচ্ছা। আগে থেকে বলতে হতো না যে বুঝতে পেরেছেন কি পড়িয়েছে এতক্ষণ?
জি স্যার।
কি
জি স্যার,
পড়িয়েছি বলেন
বুঝতে পেরেছি।
শুনি।
স্যার আমরা তো স্যার ইনিশিয়ালি স্যার শুরুতে স্যার মানে গত ক্লাসে রিভিউ গুলো করলাম স্যার, তারপরে আজকে নতুন হিসেবে স্যার আউটডোর জয়েন গুলো দেখলাম স্যার।
হ্যাঁ, কারেক্ট। আউটার জয়েন জিনিসটা কি সেটাই তো আমি জানতে চাইছি।
স্যার আউটার জয়েন হচ্ছে স্যার আমরা মানে আউটার জয়েন করি যখন হচ্ছে স্যার আমরা যখন জয়েন করার পরে স্যার হচ্ছে হলো মানে আমাদের যেগুলোর সাথে সিমিলার না থাকে স্যার অন্যগুলাতে, ওইগুলাও যেন আনতে পারি, এর জন্য স্যার আমরা আউটার জয়েনটা করি।
হুম, কি বললেন?
স্যার
স্যার
বললাম
যখন
স্যার
দুইটা ডিফারেন্ট এন্টিটির মধ্যে মানে সব সব ডেটা গুলো আমরা যখন কালেক্ট করতে পারি না, তখন স্যার আমরা আউটার জয়েন দিয়ে মানে পাওয়ার ট্রাই করি।
হুম হুম
স্যার এখানে স্যার সাপোজ আমরা যখন স্টুডেন্টের হেড হেড নেমের মধ্যে জয়েন করছিলাম, তখন স্যার আপনি বলেছিলেন স্যার যে আমাদের আমাদের মিসিং যাচ্ছে হচ্ছে হলো এক্স ওয়াই জি জি স্টুডেন্ট আসে, যার জন্য হচ্ছিল আমরা
হুম।
স্যার লেফট আউটার জয়েন করেছিলাম, যার ফলে আমরা সব স্টুডেন্টের নেমের সাথে হচ্ছিল হেডের নেম গুলো পেয়েছিলাম স্যার
হুম।
লেফট আউটার জয়েন করে।
কারেক্ট। আর কেউ কিছু বলবেন?
স্যার এখন লাস্টে আপনি বলতে চাচ্ছিলেন যে সবগুলো হেড নেম তো এখানে আসে নাই। তো
হুম।
ইফ ইউ মানে যদি আমরা সবগুলা হেড নেম এখানে নিয়ে আসতে চাই, তাহলে আমাদের মানে কোশ্চেনটা স্যার আসলে স্টুডেন্ট মানে কি জানি একটা ছিল, স্টুডেন্ট নেম আর হেড নেম চাই।
হুম।
এই কোশ্চেনটা একবার এই জন্য শুনতে চাচ্ছিলাম।
একটা সেকেন্ড একটু ওয়েট করেন। ওই যে বলছেন অনেকে যে আমার নেটওয়ার্ক একটু সমস্যা করছে, লেট মি মেক শিওর দ্যাট মাই নেটওয়ার্ক ইজ সিকিউর। Okay, so what I wanted to say here, when and how you will understand that it is required or this is not required, how do you know that?
স্যার যখন দেখবো স্যার যে আমি সব ডেটা পাচ্ছি না, তখন স্যার।
So typically join will give you the common thing, right?
ইয়েস স্যার।
Common data will come from join, but if you need any additional data,
তখন স্যার আমরা আউটার জয়েন করি।
স্যার স্যার
I'm extremely sorry. My connection was disconnected. My net connection was not there. So can you follow me now?
Yes, sir.
So we were trying to discuss on the issue on left outer join. So why we need left outer join? That was the prime objective. That which we wanted to know. So according to you, why we need left outer join? Can anyone tell me? আছেন?
জি স্যার, শুনতেছি স্যার।
Why we need left outer join or right outer join? That means in any way outer join. Why we need outer join?
Sir, we need outer join because if like if we want all the data, then we would be using
All the
outer
data
join.
means
স্যার লাইক সাপোজ স্যার আমি এখানে যদি স্টুডেন্টের সব স্টুডেন্টের নাম চাই আর হচ্ছে হলো সব হেডের নাম চাই, তাহলে স্যার আমি আউটার জয়েন না করলে শুধু জয়েন করলে এখানে যেমন হচ্ছিল XYZ যে স্টুডেন্টটা ওর
so
সাথে
এটা কি সবাই বুঝেছেন? মানে Ornoy was right. Ornoy is right. He is trying to say that
স্যার আমি
additional information that is left over. This is basically what we need to gather through outer join. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Is there any confusion
Yes, sir.
from anyone? Anyone? Any confusion? No confusion. Okay, very good. Then let's proceed. Okay, there was few concepts that we have talked about, but we haven't discussed about the examples. One of such concept was union. Can anyone tell me something related to union, like from real world, how union can be helpful? How we can use union? Can anyone tell me? Union. শুনতে পাচ্ছেন আমাকে?
জি স্যার,
জি
শুনতে
স্যার।
পাচ্ছি, কিন্তু স্যার রিয়েল ওয়ার্ল্ডে স্যার কোনো এক্সাম্পল আপাতত মাথায় আসছে না।
Union. Okay. So let's assume a case where we have employee. Okay. Employee is a entity. We have publisher and we have store. Employee works for publishers, employee works for store. Can this happen? I hope you could understand, right? Employee working
sir.
for publishing house and employee working for a store. Now, one employee should work for how many publishing house? For one publishing house, right? And one publishing house could have how many employees?
Sir, many.
Many. Similarly, one employee can work for how many store?
One store.
One store, and one store, under one store, how many employee can work?
Many.
Many store.
No, many employees.
Sorry,
In
many.
one store, many employee can work, right?
Yes, sir.
So therefore, store ID is what? A foreign key. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Pub ID is what? A foreign key.
Foreign key.
Okay. Is it okay so far?
Yes, sir.
Now here we have, let's say, pub ID. Let's say it is employee ID, pub ID, pub name, store ID, store name. We can have this information, right? Make sense? Are you
Yes,
okay
sir.
so far?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now my question is, I want to see all the employees along with the name of their affiliation. I want to see employee name. I want to see employee name and affiliation name. So what is affiliation name? The organization for whom they are working. The name of their organization. I want to see the name of employee and name of their organization. Can you do that? কি করতে হবে? Is it okay? The question?
জি স্যার, কোশ্চেন বুঝতে পেরেছি।
Okay. Now এখন solution কিভাবে করব? Let's discuss on that. বলেন শুনি। কিভাবে করব?
স্যার অ্যাফিলিয়েশন কি?
Affiliation হচ্ছে name of the organization for whom they are working.
ওকে স্যার।
So আমি আসলে কি দেখতে চাই?
স্যার আমরা কি তাহলে স্যার স্টোরের নামটা দেখতে চাচ্ছি? কারণ এমপ্লয়ি তো আই গেস হি ইজ ওয়ার্কিং ফর আ স্টোর। স্যার এখানে কি তাহলে স্যার স্টোর নেমটা অর্গানাইজেশন নেম হবে?
আমরা কি স্টোরের নাম শুধু দেখতে যাচ্ছি?
স্যার
স্যার
স্টোর এন্ড পাবলিশার দুটোই।
আমরা তো স্টোরও দেখতে চাই, পাবলিশারও দেখতে চাই, রাইট?
ইয়েস স্যার।
কি স্যার?
So let me just give you some data. E01 name is XYZ. Pub ID is P01. There is no store ID because he is not working for a store. Employee 02 ABC, no store is 01. Employee 03 PQR P02. Employee 04 RST S02. Okay. So these are the information. that I have in employee table, and in maybe in publisher table we have P01, pub 01, P02, pub 02, P03, that is pub 03. We have store as S01 is store. I'm just writing those things so that you know I don't need to write too much. Store 2. So these are the information that I have. Okay, can you see those? দেখতে পাচ্ছেন সবাই?
জি
জি
স্যার।
স্যার।
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now tell me what would be my answer once I'm saying I want to see employee name and organization name. What I want to see exactly? Answer টা আগে চিন্তা করি. What would be the answer? So the first employee name is XYZ, right? And publisher's name is pub01. Make sense?
Yes sir.
For this one. The next one would be, বলেন আমাকে, আমি লিখি. What would be the next one?
ABC and
ABC.
S01.
Name of the name.
Also store one sir.
Store 1.
Store 1. Very good. The next one?
PQR
PQR
pub 02.
pub 02. Then
RST
Store 2.
store 2.
This is what I want to see. Right? Make are you there with me so far? এটুকুন বুঝতে পেরেছেন
sir.
সবাই? কে বুঝতে পারেননি? Would you please mention that you haven't understand this much? এরকম কেউ আছেন? সবাই বুঝেছেন?
জি স্যার।
Very good. তো এখন আমাকে বলেন how can we come up with this information? এটাকে বানাবো কিভাবে? So definitely I need to join employee with publishers, right? Isn't it? Join করতে হবে. Join করলে কি হবে? If I join employee with publishers, কিসের উপর ভিত্তি করে জয়েন করব? With pub ID?
জি স্যার পাওয়ার।
তাহলে এটা যদি জয়েন করে আমার অ্যানসারটা কি হবে? আমি এটার সাথে জয়েন করছি এইটুকুন, রাইট? এই দুইটা। বলেন আনসার কি হবে? XYZ XYZ and
pub01.
pub01. The next one would be? What would be the next one? ABC. ABC.
PQR.
Very good. PQR pub
pub
02. এই পর্যন্ত কি বুঝতে পারছেন সবাই?
জি স্যার।
এরপরে আর কিছু আসবে? Will that result any further anything else?
স্যার এটার জন্য আসবে না স্যার।
আসবে না। তাহলে আমাকে কি করতে হবে আবার?
স্যার আমার আবার স্যার এমপ্লয়িকে স্যার স্টোরের সাথে জয়েন করতে হবে।
Very good. You have to join employee with store with respect to store ID, right? This time?
Yes.
তাহলে আমার এখানে রেজাল্টটা কি হবে? ABC store 1 তারপর RST
store 2.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, why we don't use union with publisher and store? Then we can join with employee.
Sorry.
Sir, can we use union with publisher?
I haven't come to the come to the concept of union yet. So, Khadija, can you wait a little so that I can address your the answer that you have, the question that you have raised?
Okay,
I'm
sir.
coming to that. I'm coming to that. So, is it okay so far? So, I need two join operations, right? And I need to get the combination of these two results, right? Isn't it? I need to get this one as well as this one after another. So how do we do that? কিভাবে হবে এটা?
Sir, as Khadija said, sir, we have to union.
We have to
But
do
we
union.
have to union.
Very good. So this is the one of the example where we might need union. Now, Khadija had separate question. She was asking, how about doing this kind of thing? So what we have done, we have simply said E join P union E join S. That is what we have done, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, Khadija is saying, how about doing these things? E join P union S. This is what she is trying to say, I believe. Isn't it, Khadija?
Yes, sir.
Right? There is no harm in it. There is no harm in it. You can do this.
Okay, sir.
But there are some challenges.
Sir, if we do it, then
Mhm.
I think we'll not get the same answer.
Why not?
স্যার কারণ স্যার এখানে তো স্যার স্টোর আইডি একটা জিনিস আর পাব আইডি আরেকটা জিনিস, দুটো তো
হুম।
ডিফারেন্ট জিনিস। সো আমি যদি এই
হুম।
দুইটাকে জয়েন করি, ইউনিয়ন করি, তো দুইটা তো
হুম।
ডিফারেন্ট জিনিস। আমার এমপ্লয়ি 2 এর জন্য তো স্যার কোনো পাব আইডি নেই। আবার এমপ্লয়ি 4 এর জন্য।
She is trying to say, what about P union S? Here we are not talking about anything about employee. So I simply merge these two tables together. That's what she is trying to say.
ওকে স্যার।
So there I don't need to bother about employee. Okay.
Yes,
I'm
sir.
not bothering about employee here. Now the problem is when we are joining P, when we are doing union with P and S, the facts remain how this would be joined. So is it joined with based on what? Is it joined based on PID or pub ID or store ID? With what it would be joined? Because here in E we have two separate columns, right? Remember, we have store ID and we have pub ID. Make sense?
স্যার আমি স্যার এটাই বলছিলাম স্যার যে পাব আইডির ক্ষেত্রে তো স্যার দুটো আলাদা স্যার।
No, but yes, correct. So now the problem is when we are joining P with P union S. So in P union S we have in E we have pub ID as well as we have store ID. But here we have both in one column. Now which one to join? This is basically there would be a common column or there is a single column of E should be joined with this, right?
Yes.
This factor. So this part I could understand. Okay, you have a merge thing which is pub ID or SID, store ID, whatever. Doing this, you have one ID. You have one ID that is merge result of publication ID, publisher's ID, or store ID. But in E, we have two separate columns. We have one for store ID, another for pub ID. Khadija, are you getting it?
Yes, sir, I got it.
So therefore, hypothetically, it's correct. Theoretically, it's correct. But when we want to do and implement, we found there are some practical problems. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
So that's why I believe we have to go back to this equation again. This one. Right? Are you following so far?
Yes, sir.
জি স্যার
Is there anything else? Any problem? No problem, right? কারো কোনো সমস্যা আছে? Is there any problem from anyone?
নো স্যার
Okay. Very good. Now let's come to the next part, which is basically SQL. I'm not going through the lectures while I will cover the topic, but I will have general discussion with you. Okay. When we are talking about SQL stands for Standard Query Language, Structured Query Language, I believe, Structured Query Language. And here, these are the typical keyword, SQL keywords that we are using. So first of all, we have to say select, from, where, group by, having, and order by. So these are typically used commands in SQL. Okay. So select in relational algebra, we have seen that as project. Whatever we do with project is basically done in select. What we have done with project. Project কি করা হয়েছিল? What we have done with project. Remember?
Sir, by using project,
যখন আমরা
we
কোনো কিছু শো করতে
show
চাচ্ছিলাম
Exactly. When you want to show some specific attribute, right? You write down the name of those attribute under project. Similarly, if you want to show something in the query, you want to write the name of the attribute that should be there in under select. Okay. Then basically we have talked about condition. Mone ache condition select. So select is basically here, which is where. We will write
জি স্যার
any condition under where. Now think about it. I have a table called student. Okay. Under student, I have SID, SName, S department. So if I want to see all the students, what should I do? What should be the command? If I want to see all the students that I have in student table, what should be the command? All the students. I want to see all the students. কি কমান্ড লিখবো?
sir project, then select student.
This much. I will simply say select star. Star means everything. That means all. All means all columns. All means all columns. Okay. So it will display all columns. Star means all columns. So select star from student. Make sense? Make sense?
জি স্যার
If I want to say, I want to see all students information who belongs to CSE, what should you write? I want to see information of CSC students. What should I say? Select star from student where
S department equals to CSE.
very good S department equivalent to CS. This is the command. Okay, is it okay so far? বুঝতে পেরেছেন?
Yes, sir.
Any confusion? Any confusion? Now, if I say I want to see name of all students, what should you do? Name of all student.
Sir, select star from student.
Select star from student. Name of all student. I want to see name of all student,
Oh, sir.
not all attribute.
Yes, sir.
Select star where name equal to.
Where name equivalent to?
So select name.
So select S name from
Very good.
student.
Select S name from student.
Student.
That's it. আর কিছু না. Select S name from student. If I want to see the name of students belongs to CSE, then this would be the S department
S
would be
department
equivalent to
equals to CSE.
CSC.
make sense? বুঝতে পেরেছেন? Any question? Any confusion? So there are some other functions like aggregate function known as count. Count will do what? It will count how many instances are there. Count will do what? It will count how many instances are there. Let's say we have student 1, name is XYZ, CSE department. Employee 2, name is PQR, BBA. Student 03, LMN. This is BBA, this is EEE. Student 04, PTR, this is CSE. So how many students we have?
So for instance, there.
4 students. So if I want to count how many instances are there, I should be using the aggregate function name as count. So what should I do? I should simply say, what should I do? So instead of saying star or number, I should say here count, because I want to display how many students are there, right? Count all. That means count the rows from student. This will show what would be the answer of this query. This will display me 4.
4.
If I want to know how many CSE students are there, what you should do? What should we do?
Sir, select
count,
count.
S
count
department.
S
S
department
department
equals
equals to
CSC.
CSE.
Very good. Perfect. আপনি কি আগে থেকে এগুলো করছিলেন নাকি? Have you done
না,
SQL
স্যার।
before?
না,
এটা
স্যার।
পারেন কিভাবে? Okay? Is it okay so far? এটা বোঝা যাচ্ছে?
স্যার এটা কাউন্ট করা লাগবে না, এর আগে কাউন্ট দিতে হবে না স্যার?
কোথায় কাউন্ট দিতে হবে? count তো আছে দেখেন select এর মধ্যে
ও
we have
আচ্ছা
count on select
হ্যাঁ।
because যে কতজন এটা দেখাতে চাই we want to show that anything that
বুঝছি।
you want to show should be on count. Anything that you want to show should be on count. Make sense?
জি স্যার জি স্যার।
স্যার এটার অ্যান্সার 2 হবে না?
কোনটা? এটার অ্যান্সার 2 হবে, রাইট? Is it okay? Is there any confusion? Any problem in understanding? Please, if you are not getting it, please clarify. Fairuz,
জি স্যার। স্যার আমি দেখছি স্যার।
is it okay?
Yes sir, I understood this part.
Renuma, Renuma, are you there? Nope. Sajjad? Okay. So, is there any problem so far? বুঝতে কোনো সমস্যা হচ্ছে? Khadija, is
No,
it okay?
sir.
No sir.
Yes, sir. It's okay. Thank you.
Okay. Let me add one additional column. Let's say we have additional column called earning. Okay. So 01, let's say he or she earns around 20. This is 30. This is 25. This is 80. Yes, 7. Okay. Now, if I want to see, if I want to see the average income of the student or average earning of the students, what should be the answer? Can you tell me? It should be 70 plus 30 plus 25 plus 80 divided by 4. Isn't it? এটা কি বুঝতে পারেন?
জি স্যার।
Yes, sir.
So average. So to get average, there is a formula called AVG. AVG is an aggregated function which can give us the average value. So what should be the SQL we should write?
Sir, select AVG.
Select
AVG.
AVG of what?
AVG of, sir, earning, sir.
Very good. Select AVG of earning from
Student, sir.
student. এটা হলে হয়ে যাবে, then it will give me the average result. If I want to get all the result, if I want to get total income, what should I do? Total income করতে হলে কি করতে হবে বলেন শুনি একটু।
স্যার তাহলে তো আর এভিজি ইউজ হবে না।
Sir,
কেন হবে না?
তাহলে
যদি
স্যার
আমি AVG ইউজ করে করতে হয় তাহলে কি করব?
স্যার সাম
হুম
Sir, AVG earning into student ID.
স্টুডেন্ট
SID.
আইডি
into count, sir.
Count, sir, count. Sorry, sir.
তো AVG earning multiplied by count, right? Isn't it? Or we have a formula someone was telling.
স্যার
Sum.
সাম
There is a formula called sum. That also can work. And it would be better, I believe, right?
ইয়েস স্যার
So instead of writing that much, we can simply say sum of earning. Make sense?
Yes.
Clear? এই পর্যন্ত? Do you have any questions so far? কোনো প্রশ্ন আছে?
I guess no, sir.
আচ্ছা, এবার আমার একটা প্রশ্ন উত্তর দেন, যদি পারেন I will give you 2 mark bonus. Department wise student total earning. That means I want to say CSE 150, BBA 30, EEE 25. This should be the answer. How can I do that? SQLটা কি হবে?
Sir, select some earning from student group by department. Is
Sorry. Select
some earning. Sir, আমরা স্যার টোটাল আর্নিংটা জানতেছিলাম।
হ্যাঁ, টোটাল আর্নিংটা জানতে চাচ্ছি। এই যে অ্যান্সার তো দেওয়াই আছে।
জি স্যার, some earning, then sir from student আর পর হচ্ছে স্যার গ্রুপ বাই ডিপার্টমেন্ট সামথিং।
গ্রুপ বাই কি আবার?
স্যার আমি স্যার তো চাচ্ছিলাম স্যার প্রত্যেকটা ডিপার্টমেন্টের জন্য না,
হুম।
মানে ইন্ডিভিজুয়ালি প্রত্যেকটা ডিপার্টমেন্টের জন্য তো চাচ্ছিলাম স্যার।
রাইট, আপনি বলেন, মানে সিন্স ইউ আর ক্লেমিং 2 মার্কস, বলেন কি বলতে যাচ্ছেন? সিলেক্ট।
স্যার আমি আরেকবার স্যার একটু শিওর হয়নি স্যার।
অবশ্যই।
স্যার আমি চাচ্ছি স্যার ডিপার্টমেন্ট ওয়াইজ স্টুডেন্ট টোটাল আর্নিং, রাইট?
রাইট,
মানে স্যার হচ্ছে হলো প্রত্যেকটা ডিপার্টমেন্টের ইন্ডিভিজুয়াল টোটাল আর্নিং কত এটা?
হ্যাঁ, প্রত্যেকটা ডিপার্টমেন্টের স্টুডেন্টদের আর্নিং কত?
জি স্যার।
আর্নিং অফ দ্য স্টুডেন্টস বিলং টু আ ডিপার্টমেন্ট।
জি স্যার। সিলেক্ট সাম আর্নিং।
Select some earning
from student and then sir group by use করে যদি করি স্যার তাহলে স্যার
গ্রুপ বাই কি হবে?
গ্রুপ বাই স্যার লাইক সাপোজ আমি যদি সিএসসি ডিপার্টমেন্ট হয় স্যার তাহলে সিএসসি, এস ডিপার্টমেন্ট
by CSE?
স্যার
Sorry?
আমি একটা বলি স্যার।
আচ্ছা, অন্য একটা শেষ করে নিই।
স্যার
কি
এস
বলবো?
ডিপার্টমেন্ট গ্রুপ বাই এস ডিপার্টমেন্ট ইকুয়ালস টু সিএসসি, তাহলে স্যার সিএসসি
ডিপার্টমেন্ট ইকুইভ্যালেন্ট টু সিএসসি। কে বলতে চাইছেন আরেকটা? অন্য দিস ইজ দ্য আনসার, রাইট?
স্যার এটা স্যার সিএসসি এর জন্য স্যার বের
না,
হচ্ছে।
বাট আমি তো সবগুলো দেখতে চাই।
আচ্ছা তাহলে স্যার হবে না স্যার, ভুল।
Okay, someone else was willing to say that she or he wants to try. কে বলছিলেন?
স্যার আমি স্যার।
জি।
স্যার
Aziz?
select earning
Select
from
earning
from student where S department equal to CSC, EEE, BBA. স্যার সাম দিতে হবে স্যার উপরে স্যার,
কমা,
হ্যাঁ কমা ডাবল EEE
এরকম কিছু?
জি স্যার।
হয়নি? So it means that when we are এই যেটা যে করছি, what we are doing, we are aggregating, right? Isn't it?
Yes sir.
So aggregating টা আমরা কিসের উপর দেখেছি? টোটালের উপরে দেখেছি so far. That means আমি সব স্টুডেন্টের এগ্রিগেশন করেছি। I have done sum of all students, average of all students, right? Isn't it? But now what we want to do? We want to do aggregate of a group, right? We
Yes,
want to
sir.
say aggregate of a group. Group means কিসের উপর গ্রুপ করেছি?
স্যার ডিপার্টমেন্টের উপর।
ডিপার্টমেন্ট।
So group হয়েছে S ডিপার্টমেন্টের উপরে, right?
জি স্যার।
So that's why I think Ornoy was on track,
স্যার কমা দিয়ে স্যার বাকিগুলো হবে স্যার।
but somehow things were not smooth. So the very first thing we want to show, what we want to show, we want to see the name of the department, right? This is the first column.
জি স্যার।
So definitely my department name has to be there. So to have my department name, I should say S department, comma, sum of earning. Okay, from student, group by would say based on what I have made the groups. So based on what I have made the groups, based on an attribute, the name of the attribute is S
ডিপার্টমেন্ট।
department. This is not condition, this is the name of the attribute. So the name of the attribute is S department. So we want to get the name, sorry, we want to get the earning of the students belongs to a particular department. That's why we are grouping based on students department, right?
জি স্যার।
So this should be the query. This is the right query. Are you getting it so far?
ইয়েস স্যার।
জি স্যার।
Any confusion, any doubts? So we have introduced the concept of few things, few SQLs and aggregate function. Finally, I will quit the class, or I will stop today's class by introducing the next part, which is a very important aspect. Let's say I want to see earning of departments whose earning is more than total earning is more than 100 taka. Whose total earning is more than 100 taka. Or let's say not more than 100 taka. Let's assume I'm trying to find out earning is, let's say, more than 50 taka. More than 50. Okay. Okay. So if so, what I would see?
Sir, do we have to use the order by?
স্যার আমরা কি আর্নিং গ্রেটার দ্যান 50 দিতে পারি?
আচ্ছা, আর্নিংটা কি এমনি মানে are you comparing the earning or total earning?
Total earning, sir.
আচ্ছা, so it is not earning, right? We are not comparing earning. That means earning of an individual students are we comparing, or we are comparing total earning?
We are earning. We are comparing total.
By
earning.
total earning, that means how can we get total earning?
Sir, sum দিয়ে.
Sum দিয়ে. The condition is based on an attribute or aggregate attribute. The condition that you are thinking, is it based on attribute or aggregate attribute?
Aggregate attribute.
Sir, aggregate attribute.
Very good. So when we are considering to have a condition on the aggregate attribute for which we have made the groups, we put the condition under having clause. So we have to say sum of earning should be greater than 50 here. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
So if we have condition on a particular attribute, where we put the condition?
Having, sir.
Having.
No. When we have a condition on an attribute, like find the students of CSE department, where you have put the condition?
Where?
Where, under where clause, where you have mentioned where is department equivalent to CSE, right?
CSE.
So if you have condition on the attribute, you have to put that on where clause. But if you have condition on top of the aggregation, you have to put it on
Having, sir.
Make sense?
Yes, sir.
So that's basically all what we have to discuss today. So we can conclude for today. If you have any question, I would spend 5 minutes with you. Then if not, then basically we will close the class for today. Is there any question?
Sir, what about order by?
Sorry. Order by, we haven't discussed it today. So maybe next class when we will come, we will discuss with regarding order by. This is storing, like how you will display, sorting data.
Okay, sir.
So is there anything else you want to know? Any confusion? You know, I already have covered everything.
স্যার
জি
স্যার যদি আমরা দেখতে চাই যে সিএইচই থেকে বিবি মানে এদের টোটাল ইনকামটা কত কম সেটা আহ, আহ, সেটা হচ্ছে ট্রিপলির চেয়ে বেশি মানে স্যার আমরা সিএসসি স্টুডেন্ট থেকে বিবি স্টুডেন্টদের টোটাল ইনকামটা বাদ দিতে চাচ্ছি এবং ট্রিপলিদেরকেও বাদ দিতে চাচ্ছি এবং দেখতে চাচ্ছি যে কোনটা গ্রেটার। তাহলে স্যার সেটা কিভাবে করব?
আচ্ছা মানে you want to find out the maximum income, I believe, right?
স্যার ম্যাক্সিমাম ইনকাম কম্পেয়ারিং বাই সিএসসি।
No, মানে you want to find maximum income, isn't it what you mentioned? That you want to compare with everyone and you want to get the highest one, right?
জি স্যার।
So there is a function called max to do this work. There is a function called mean. Max will return you the maximum value, mean will return you the minimum value. Okay? Asiya, is it okay?
জি স্যার এটা বুঝতে পেরেছি বাট স্যার মানে আরেকটু একটা বিষয় ক্লিয়ার করা দরকার ছিল স্যার যেটা ম্যাক্স সেই ম্যাক্সের থেকে রিমেইনিং গুলা বাদ দেব দিয়ে তার ভিতরে কোনটা ম্যাক্স সেটা বের করতে যাচ্ছি।
আমি বুঝিনি। আপনি আমাকে একটু উত্তরটা বলবেন কি চাইছেন আপনি করতে?
স্যার এখানে যেমন তিনটা আছে অ্যানসার যেখানে লেখা আছে সিসি স্টুডেন্টদের সবচেয়ে ম্যাক্সিমাম ইনকাম।
হ্যাঁ
তো ম্যাক্সিমাম থেকে এখন হচ্ছে আমি বাকি যে দুটো আছে এই দুটাকে বাদ দিতে চাচ্ছি। সাপোজ 150 থেকে 65 মাইনাস করতে চাচ্ছি দেন 150 থেকে 25 মাইনাস করতে চাচ্ছি করে দেখছি যে স্যার তার মধ্যে ম্যাক্সিমাম আছে বিবিএটা। তো স্যার এটা কিভাবে দেখতে পারবো?
মানে you want to get the second max? I am not clear with your intention. What you want to achieve? That is the first thing that we want to know. What you want to achieve? You want to achieve the second max. That's what you want.
Ji sir.
Okay, we can do that. Like because in order by we can find any number that you want to find from there using order by. We can do that using order by. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Either first one, second one, third one, fourth one, whichever you want to see, you can see it from order by. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Is there anything else? I believe no, right?
Ji, sir.
Okay then.
Maybe.
Thank you for today. Hope we will meet on Sunday and we will have a
So Sunday,
long-
sir, আমাদের এই Thursday ক্লাস আছে না স্যার?
right.
Makeup class?
Oh, yes, we have a makeup class. Sunday makeup class on Thursday, right?
Yes, sir.
Sir, Tuesday
No,
টা হবে।
sir, Tuesday.
Tuesday টা হবে, right?
The
Tuesday
3:30
টা হবে.
3:30.
Ji, 3:30. So we hope we will meet on Thursday, and then basically on Sunday we will get a full session, like 3-hour session.
Yes, sir.
স্যার রিগার্ডিং দ্য থার্সডে ক্লাস স্যার আমার তো স্যার আমি হয়তো স্যার ঢাকার বাইরে থাকতে পারি স্যার ক্লাসটা অ্যাটেন্ড না করতে পারি
আচ্ছা, ঠিক আছে।
নেটওয়ার্কের সমস্যা থাকে তো যেখানে যাব স্যার এই জন্য স্যার প্রবলেম স্যার
ঠিক আছে, অসুবিধা নেই। So recording would be available, so I hope you would be able to cope up.
জি স্যার
Okay. Anything else from anyone? No, right? Then we can close the session for today. Right?
Ji, sir.
Okay, then thank you all. Hope we'll see you on Thursday.
Thank you, sir.